G'day viewers, this is Troy from Troy's Visual Arts channel. Here I am, just outside of Latrobe on the main highway that goes to Devonport. And here we have a castle house. Yeah, I remember seeing this castle house as a little kid when Dad took us into Devonport back in the 80s. So yeah, I thought I'd stop by and snap some photos of it and make a little video on it. So yeah, I'm guessing this castle house is inhabited. It's somebody's homestay property. Anyway, I don't know. I don't know if it's a tourist attraction for visitors. I'll have to do a bit of Google search on this place, so I'm quite intrigued about it. Yeah. I think it's a pretty cool looking property. The house made look like a 16th century castle or something. Pretty cool idea. Anyway, I'm going to snap some photos and then I guess drive off to Devonport and just go for a bit of a drive around and stuff. Anyhow, this is Troy from Troy's Visual Arts channel signing out.